how are you? I hope you are safe at your home, right? In this coronavirus situations, you shouldn't come out. Yeah, I think so that you are following all the precautions and all the measures, all the safety measures made by your school, set by your school, and also by your parents, because your first teacher is your mom, right? Yeah, I'm your new teacher. My name is Varsha. I think so before you have seen me while I was saying you IIT physics and all. So let us start with this our physics chapter. I will not say because this time is so boring, right? So let us do some activity, right? Because we are habituated to do some activity before going to every class and all, right? Not so boring. We will make something interesting in our life, right? Okay. So students, say me, by what part of our body you are able to see me? Yeah, say me. Which part of our body you are able to see me? Is it by eye? Yeah, very nice, very good. It's our eye. By what we are able to see this, right? Now, I want to say you, we are able to see with the part called eye. Now, say me, what is the heart of eye? Heart of eye. Say me, what is the heart of eye? Means, I want to ask you that without that, the eye is no use. Without that, you can't, means the eye, we can't use our eye without that thing. Yeah, just think and think. Yeah, I want more answers. Yeah, many of them are saying retina. Next, yeah, but not. Yeah, I want something else from you. Yeah, you can. Yeah. Okay, let's do some activity. Okay, to get the answer from you. Yeah, you are able to see me here. If I close the curtains, you will feel some pressure to see me. Yeah, of course. Yeah, means you are saying that you will feel some pressure to see me. Yeah, this wait a while. This marker is not writing. Yeah, this retina we are. If we close the curtain, you will find some pressure to see me. Yeah, I know that. Okay, you are finding some pressure to see me. Now I want to ask you that if the light is not there with you, you are able to see me, but it's giving some pressure to your eye to see me, right? Means pressure. Yeah, you got that point. Now I want to ask you that in dark light, how you are able to see me? Suppose you are in a terrace and you are roaming at night nearly like 8 p.m. You are able to go. Still, who are coming opposite to you, you are able to see it. How? You said me before the dark light. Now say me, how you are able to see this at 8 p.m. Who are coming opposite to you? Yeah, class is boring. No, na? Yeah, I know that. I'm making you to do the activity. Right? Yes. Say me, with this 8 p.m. at the night, how you are able to see the things which are beside you, behind you, in front of you, at back of you, just by the shadows, or why? What is the reason behind that? Yeah, very good. Dark, if you are roaming at the terrace, what you are able to see? How you are able to see? There is also some light. Yeah. Which light it is? Which light it is? Is it like, isn't it moonlight? Yeah. Give me some examples like this. Yeah, think. I'm giving you 2 minutes of time. Think and say me these all lights. How you are able to see it. Yeah. Yeah, discuss with your friends. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Yes. Yes. You are able to see this with some of the moonlight. Now, coming to this moonlight and all, there is also a starlight present at the night. Starlight. Very good. You are able to see with that starlight and moonlight at the night time. Okay. You will say, ma'am, street light. Yeah, very good. Now again, at morning how you are able to see? By the artificial lights. Artificial lights, very good. Next, sunlight. Very good. Next, yeah, you can say, somebody is saying bulb light. Bulb light. Very good. Next, yeah. Can you say me these are the artificial lights, these are the home lights? Yeah. Suppose in your home the power went off. Not in your home, in your street. The power went off. How you are able to see? How you, if you want to study? How you will study? Yeah, say. How you will study? Think. Oh, in your home inverter is there. Yeah, I can understand in your home inverter is there. But if inverter battery is also low. Inverter battery is low or shut down. Now, how you are able to read now? Say, tomorrow you have the exams and you don't have any option now. You have to read and you want to get the good marks. Then how you will read? Same. Don't know? Yeah, try and try. We will start with the torchlight. Very good. We will start with torchlight. Okay. Next. Semi. Very good. You are able to do it. Yeah. Torchlight. Suppose now I am saying that torchlight batteries are also not there with you. Batteries are low or not present. Not present with you. Now, what you will do then? Same. You still want to do anything else? Suppose you said me that for inverter first. I said that battery is low. Then you will say me the torchlight. I said batteries are not available with you or else they are shut down. Now say me what you will do now. You will find something else? Say me. Okay. You will say me now like somebody is saying like candle light. Candle light. Am I right? Okay. I can understand. Now you will study with candle. Very good. You will study with candle. Okay. Say me. It is having a light like this. Yeah, you will study with that light. Okay. Now, I want to warm up these sessions once again, starting from the starting onwards. Okay. What is the heart of our eye? Part is eye, from which we are able to see, we are able to convey, we are able to say everything, right? With the part of eye, we are able to see, right? With the part of eye. And what is, I was asking you that, what is the heart of our eye? The heart of our eye. What is the heart of our eye? You didn't still replied me to this question, right? This is still a question. Question mark. Okay. This is still a question mark. Now say me, everything I said you, wait a while ma. Okay. You somebody said me get Tina. You will be thinking and much more. Okay. We was talking about I. This I. Okay. I was asking you some lights like how you will be able to see me. You said me bulb light, moonlight, starlight, street light, artificial light, sunlight, artificial lights in the sense home lights. Next, I was asking for a dark light, then you said me like moon and all. If you are present, if you want to study in your home without, if the power went off suddenly, you will say me that inverter is available with you. But I say that if inverter batteries are shut down, then how you will do it? You will say me by using torchlight. Yeah, I agree with your point. Okay, after that, if torchlight batteries are not there, if torchlight batteries are shut down, then you will start with candlelight. Yeah, what I said is candlelight. Yeah, very good. Now, say me, what is the heart of our eye? Heart of our eye. Question mark. Is it possible to say no? Everything you are listening here will make you to say that answer. Without this thing, what is common in all the things? Say me. Yeah, very nice. Good. Everyone is doing good. This common thing is light. 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 Here is also light. Dark light. Next, torch light. These all. The common thing here is light. The answer to your question, heart of our eye is light. Why? Because without the light, we can't see any object. Without the light, our eye is of no use. Am I right now? So today, these are the basic points what I want to say you first. So today, we want to start with the heart of our light, and the chapter name is light. Very good. You understood this all? Yeah. Our chapter name is, I will write it as heart of our eye. That is light. Do you agree with this now? Yeah. Now, I want to ask some questions to you. Okay. Okay, I think so that you are bored. So let's have some activity like clapping. Clap your hands 3 times. Prison claps begins. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, do it for 2 times. Yeah, pay attention. Do it, ma. Yeah, good. Do it. I think so you are following my class well. What I am thinking. Am I right or not? Just say me, ma. If I am right, I will continue in this way only. If it is okay for you, yeah. I think so that I will get a positive response from you. Yeah. You did it? You want some break? No break. It's interesting, right? Yeah, you have to say it's interesting. Also because this is a corona situation time, and we are dealing with 10th also. So 10th, coming to the 10th class, it's a basic, as I already said you that heart of our eye is light. In the same way, the school life heart is 10th class. So yeah, you have to study well. I should say you that shouldn't waste your time and you get much more time in this. You can prepare by your own. Also, if any doubts, anything else is there with you, just let me know. And I request the students to come to the online sessions also. Shouldn't miss that session because that will be interactive sessions with you and with your friends also. I know that you will chat with your friends and all, but still, if you come with me, I will be very much friendly with you and you can share your doubts easily. Okay. Yeah. You got time? You are happy? Shall we start with the heart of our eye? Shall we start with our heart of our eye? Okay. Seminar. Coming to the light. Suppose, with an example, you are standing in front of a mirror. What you will? What you will observe? Same. You are standing in front of a mirror. Say me now what you are going to observe. Dear, this is my first question to you. Just start thinking and let me know in 2 minutes. Yeah, same this type of question. You are standing in front of a mirror. Very good. What you will observe? What you will observe? Yourself. Yeah, same. Suppose this is a mirror. I am just saying you. Suppose this is a mirror. I am standing in front of a mirror. How I will my image will reflect in that? Right? Can I see that image? Right. And the left one towards, if we will go to the right one, it will show in left one. Yeah. If we go to right, if we move towards right, it shows in left. Right? These are the type of questions. I want to ask you. Yeah. If we move towards right, it shows in left. Okay. Next, these are the two questions. I will be asking you in the next class also. Okay? Thank you.